Hello everyone and welcome. You know, summer is just around the corner, and what better way is there to spruce up your home than with some solar lighting? Solar pathway lights can add security and safety to your home and also make your house brighter and more attractive at night. Aside from that, you only have the initial cost of the purchase because being solar means there is no wiring to hassle with and the power is free from the sun. So today we're going to look at some new solar pathway lights that I just got, and I got them from a company that I've used before. I already own some solar pathway lights from XmCozy, and I've been very happy with them. They've been very good to me for the past few years. So when I decided to add more lights to my home, I knew I had to look at these guys again. So if you've been looking for some affordable and durable solar pathway lights to brighten up your home, but didn't know which one to get, then stick around as I unbox and test these guys. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. So let's talk a little bit about some of the features that this guy has. But before we get started testing this guy, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That way you get notified every time I do another product review video, DIY project, or a sale at a big box store where I can help you save more money. Alright then, so this is a 4-pack of solar pathway lights from XmCozy, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $59.99 or $60. Now I should point out that this is the 4-pack of solar pathway lights that we'll be looking at today, but they do also sell a 6-pack if you want more lights, and I'll put a link to both of them down below in the description. So what do you get when you unbox this guy? Well, you get the 4 pathway lights, you get the manual, and you get everything to set these guys up. The dimensions on these guys, when you put it all together with the stakes and all that, you're looking at a total of 22 inches in height and 6 inches in diameter. Now, the above ground part with the pole, the stand right there, and the light itself, you're looking at about 15 inches. That is the above ground part. The stake should be below ground. The warranty on these guys is 2 years. The weight on them is only just a few ounces. Now this set of solar pathway lights has a metal body for durability and a glass lens with a water ripple effect. All this is much more durable and better than the cheapy ABS plastics that you find most commonly online. Now, as I mentioned previously, these lights are solar powered, so there is no need for wiring. Pick the spot where you want to place them and stick them into the ground, and away you go. These lights have a large 2.5 by 2.5 solar panels on top of each light, that I'll show you in just a moment, making more efficient light collection during the day. This means that you get more efficient charging with less sunlight throughout the day. Great for better charging on cloudy days. You can also control the brightness and the color temperature of these lights, giving you greater versatility. It has a simple button inside that I'll show you in a moment. You can select either 20 lumens or 40 lumens, which allows the lights to run either 12 hours or 6 hours. If you select 20 lumens, you get a warm 2700K lighting, and if you select 40 lumens, you get a cool, bright 4500K light. You can choose if you prefer a warmer ambiance lighting or a brighter, cool light for security reasons. These lights are IP65 all weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about where you place them. The operating temperature on these lights is from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use them just about anywhere all year round. So these lights should help keep my pathways nice and bright all night long. So let's take a little closer look at these guys, and then we'll set them up and see how they look through the day and at night. Alright guys, so let's take a little closer look at these lights and look at some of the nice features that they have when you compare them to your cheapy little ABS type inexpensive lights that are on the internet. These are really nice lights. Like I said, this is a glass lens. That is not ABS plastic, and this is a metal housing. The whole body of it and so forth is metal. You can see right there, that's a magnet not falling off. That is a metal cover right there. So very nice, very durable, as opposed to basically if it was ABS. This will retain its color and be more durable to the weather than the plastic ones would be. Look at this big, nice 2.5 by 2.5 inch solar panel. Very nice big solar panel. You know, like I said, most lights are probably going to have smaller ones, so this is much more efficient as far as collecting solar power. So even on cloudy days, you should be able to charge it up very nicely. So a nice little lamp, you basically, install the base on it right here and so forth, and away you go. When you open this guy up, very easy to do everything on here. As far as I'm concerned, all you do is give it a good twist and it comes right off. Now be careful, it is glass, like I said. This guy right here, you have a 2-filament light bulb, LEDs, of course. So you have 2 different filaments depending on the lighting that you want. And you have your 2 control buttons right there. And the battery, I haven't taken this off, it'll basically light up the moment I take that off. The battery is replaceable. You see that it has a simple little door right there. All you do is open it up, take it out of there, and you can easily replace the battery when it ever goes bad. I mean, 5 years, 10 years, however long it lasts, it'll eventually go bad, but the light should still be good. And then all you do is pull it out of there, and it's your typical rechargeable, AA size battery. It's a 14500, I believe it is, and it says right in there what it is. Yeah, 14500, 3.2 volt, lithium ferrous phosphate battery. So it should be more durable than your lithium ferrous batteries, your typical ones. So very, spring loaded and so forth. So it's easy. Pop it in there. I'm not going to do it right now. You pop it in there and you're ready to go. And right here, you have the buttons for selecting the lighting temperature and the brightness. And you just go, and you notice that they're covered in plastic. So they're weatherproof. So that means they're more durable, as opposed to some of them are just a cheapy little switch right there. So that's an extra step right there. Very nice. So you go one side or the other, depending on what you want to have for both of them. So it's easy as that. Now let me put the battery in and it'll turn on because it has to be facing up. Otherwise it'll turn right on. So we'll see right now. And there you go. It turns on right away. Now let's see. Let's go through the different light modes. And there you go. That is your cool white, your 4500K, and that is your 2700K. And let's see right here. This is your low, and that is your bright. So that's 20 lumens right there, and that's 40 lumens right there. Like I said, you cover it up and it'll turn on. You face it up towards the light and it turns off. So it's automatic on off when the sun comes out and when the sun goes down. When the sun comes out, it turns off and charges. At night, it turns on, and it'll run for either, like I said, 6 to 12 hours, depending on your selection right there. So a lot of cool features, and putting on the lens is super easy. I mean, you see it has 2 little notches right there. All you do is line up the notches on the glass lens, line that up, pop it in there, put it in there, give it a twist, and you're done. That's how easy it is. And if you want to take it off, you can take it off for cleaning and so forth. It is glass. You can just clean it and maintain it all you want. And there you go. So I'm going to set these guys up right now outside in the daytime so you can see what they look like. And then we'll come back at night and see what they look like when they turn on at night. So let's go do that right now. All right, guys, so here we are looking at the light setup in my yard during the day. This way you can see what they look like during normal daytime. And you can see they are pretty tall. Like I said, 15 inches tall, and I don't have them fully staked in yet. But anyway, very nice, very big, great for putting it around landscaping, for putting it right at the edge of some walkway you have. Anywhere, they're big enough so that they won't disappear if you have any kind of big plants or anything around them. So very nice lights right here. Let's come back at nighttime and we'll see what they look like. And here we are at nighttime, and I took advantage of setting up all the 4 different modes so you can see everything all at once. So in the front here, we have the cool white, the 4500K temperature, and in the far ones, we have the warm white, the 2700K temperatures. And on each of them, I have one set to the 20 lumens and one set to the 40 lumens. You can see one is a little bit brighter than the other ones on each one of them. But to be honest, I really don't notice that much of a difference between the 20 and the 40 lumens, which is a good thing. It means you get plenty of illumination, but you get to have the battery last you twice as long. So you can conceivably put it at the 20 lumens and still have it last all night long with plenty of illuminations. You can see right in front of you, the 20 is on the closest side to you and the 40 is on the furthest side from you. And you really don't notice that much difference. And here we go looking at the 2700K, the warm white light. so that way you could see which one you prefer. You prefer to have it a little bit warmer, or you want to have it a little bit cooler. For security, for ambiance, totally up to you. You can pick whichever one you like. So again, not much of a difference. One is a little bit brighter than the other ones, but they're still both very bright. So you can use them very conveniently for proper illumination, for walkways, bushes, decoration, lighting up walls and stuff like that. Whatever it is you want to do, they certainly seem to fulfill that function. So there you have it, guys. Some really nice lights that I just got that I think are really good if you want to take a look at them. Details, links, everything down below in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.